Okay.
Hey, so it's Xander Thomson with Thomson Visuals. So I've been rolling with the Shinn bag for about 2 years now. I got the Cine Master ICU. I love this bag, and I take it everywhere because I'm the type of person that likes to have absolutely everything I could possibly need whenever I go out in the field. But today, I want to pack light. So I'm gonna try out the Kashmir Air 2 with the Large Pro ICU. I'm gonna pack a little bit lighter than I normally do because today is the Dodgers victory parade. The Los Angeles Dodgers just won the World Series. It's Friday, it's a gorgeous day in LA, and we're just gonna take a Komodo out there, rip off a couple of shots, and see what we get. But first I gotta take what's in the Shinn and throw it in the Kashmir, so let's check it out. So immediately I can see this bag's lighter, but it's still got a great ICU, so I can be able to pack everything exactly how I'd like it. I've also got some of my buddy Nick's stuff in here, so the two of us are gonna be able to roll with just one bag in downtown today. I think we gotta go with the Stormtrooper Komodo. And this is the one that I actually disassembled. So you can see right there, I took this Komodo apart and put it back together. I'm still really happy about that. I like to pack everything up with everything tested and ready to shoot. And I know some people like to test it before they go out there, but I trust that I was the one that packed it and I know it works. I already know these cards are all cold, they're ready to go. We'll take the handle too, we gotta have that as well. Let's take an Angel Bird card, and actually let's take a pro grade card as well. I'm of the mind of having different brands of media because I've just been screwed on media before. So on something like this where it's only gonna happen one time and I can't do it over again, I'm gonna roll with different media. It's only like a half-hour parade, so I don't think I need more than a terabyte. I don't need a chip chart. I don't need a light meter. I do need ND though. There we go. Let's get the 82. I've got my big rig mat box here. Take that, set that aside. Find a place for that in a second. And let's do Firecrest. Super slim IRND. I think a 0.9 will be just fine for us. Let me actually load that up right now. I don't want to have to deal with that out there. There we go. I've been thinking about what lens I want to take out there. I got the Siggy 18-35 or I got the 24-70. Now, 24-70 is stabilized and it's got a little bit better range. And quite frankly, I just like the Canon L lenses for some reason. I think that's the way I'm gonna go. So let's take this, let's throw this in the bag too. Let's bring some batteries. Nice, fully charged, as they should be. Let's see, we got the camera, we got the glass, we got batteries, we've got media, we got spare batteries, spare media, we've got lens tissues. And other than that, I think we just got to get out there and shoot. You can really see the difference between the 80 liters and I believe 32 liters we've got on the Kashmir Air 2. And I just love the Duradiamond texture that's never failed me out in the field. And still a very capable bag, but just appropriately sized for what I'm trying to do today. So let's head downstairs and check out this victory parade. I wouldn't have been able to be that flexible or move around the crowd carrying the 80 liter bag. And what I like about the f-stop bags are, the ICUs make it so everything is in the exact spot that I want it to be. Keeps everything protected. You got to strike that balance between rolling fast and loose, but keeping your gear secure so it's not broken by the time you get to wherever you're going. So I like it. I like the Kashmir Air 2. Large Pro ICU. I thought I wasn't going to have enough space, but it's actually pretty dope. And yeah, can't wait to do this again next year. And let's go Dodgers.